Hi, my name is Joanna, and this time I will introduce you to a digital solution for teaching and learning. We will concentrate on an audiovisual tool. Precisely, the topic of this video tutorial is how to use YouTube videos to practice vocabulary and pronunciation. The exercise is for all age groups and for the purpose of developing the media competence. By watching and listening to videos, repeating the words you hear, you can learn new words. This way, your students will improve their vocabulary and pronunciation in a selected language. So let's try it out. Okay, we are on YouTube. Let's say I am a teacher of English, so I will be searching for a video spoken originally by an English speaker. I am entering a random search option, environmental vocabulary pronunciation. Okay, here are my results. I will choose this video. The video will automatically play, but you can decide to stop it at any moment. Especially what will be useful with new vocabulary are two setting features. Here is the first one, playback speed. It is always set as normal, but we will now compare the difference if we just lower it a bit. I recommend going one level lower, since making it slower makes the whole video unnatural. So now we will try with the normal playback speed. Okay, and now we will try by lowering the playback speed. So there is a slight difference which could be useful, especially with new vocabulary or with more difficult vocabulary items. Okay, and another useful feature are subtitles, but in this video we already have subtitles. The only thing you could do here is actually make these subtitles a bit bigger. And you can do this also by going into settings, subtitles, and options. And here you can change the font size. Let's make it a bit bigger. And you see they will be automatically bigger. But as you have noticed, this video already has subtitles which have been included by the creator of this video. Let's go back to the search options, and here we will go to filter and check the feature subtitles. In this case, I will choose the second video. Okay, as you see, in this video we do not have the subtitles automatically like previously. To enable them, I go again to settings, subtitles, and here I can choose the available subtitles. So I choose English. Okay, and then you have them on the screen, and again you can decide to play with the options, with the font color, if size, let's make it smaller because it's set bigger like I did before. And also I noticed that in the playback speed, it's also set to the lowercase as I changed it before. Of course, at any time you can also pause a video, go back, and your students can practice the vocabulary pronunciation. However, to make sure your students are practicing the right pronunciation, it is advised you recommend the videos yourself, since anyone can upload videos to YouTube, and many of them have incorrect pronunciation. In this case, the pronunciation is of British English, and so that is why I have chosen this video. Let's listen. Okay, What will save your time, and especially if you have a few lessons on the same subject, is saving the videos, which you can do by clicking this button. And also next to save, you have share. Even with the option to start sharing from a specific part of a video, because here you can enter the specific time. So as you saw, YouTube is a very simple and interactive tool for engaging your students into practicing their vocabulary and pronunciation. Thank you for watching this tutorial and enjoy your teaching.